Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitamala Sari. Welcome back to our channels. So for this time I will talk about prereading and predicting, and I'll be sharing about this topic in my understanding. So let's get started. What is the first time you do when you are going to read text? Sometimes we see how long the text or reading is to be read because we don't understand if there is a way to do it before we read the text. Actually, there is one way that can be done before reading the text. This way is called pre-reading. Well, first of all, I'll be sharing the definition of pre-reading. So, what is pre-reading? Prereading is a way to quickly understand organization and outline a reading. You will be able to prove that prereading is one we can do for improve reading skills efficiently. And prereading is a way of looking quickly for an overview of the reading that will be read before starting to read. This way, you will be able to read quickly and be able to follow the thoughts of the author of the reading you are reading. Okay, now how to pre-reading? In doing this, you can see the important parts of the reading and you can quickly read it to the end of the reading. And there are 7 steps for pre-reading. Step number 1, read the title of the reading. The title of a reading usually provides information to the reader about what material or the main topic discussed in the reading. Step number 2, read the introduction or opening paragraph. The introduction or opening paragraph usually provides information or an overview or outline of the content of the reading. The sections also contains information or clues about the author's mindset. Step number 3, read each subheading. The title of each topic can be a heading. Heading is a kind of title or subheading that provides information on the content or material to be informed about the title or subheading. The title or subheading is an outline of the content of the reading. Step number 4, read the first sentence of each title or subheading. The title or subheading actually provides brief information about the outline of the paragraph's content, but the first sentence of each title or subheading provides information about the title or subheading, which is the subject matter discussed. Step number 5, read the writing typography. Typography of writing is usually in italic, boldface type, color writing, numbering, capitalization, and underline. Step number 6, pay attention to the graphics or picture, if any. Graphics or pictures aim to emphasize 2 main points in a reading. First, the picture or graphics emphasize the main ideas discussed in the reading. Second, the picture or graphics provide information about a summary of the main ideas or the relationship between the main ideas discussed in a reading. In addition to graphics or picture in the form of charts, tables also provides the main thing discussed in the reading. Step number 7, read the last paragraph or conclusion. The last paragraph is usually the conclusion of all reading material. Well, now you understand how to do pre-reading. If you feel that you don't really understand these ways, try reading it one more time. If you need to do it while carrying the reading that you are going to read, and look for the parts you have to do for pre-reading. Do it gradually. That way you will understand how to do pre-reading well. Okay, after you do pre-reading, how about predicting? Pre-reading is the same as seeing a preview of a film. After pre-reading, you should be able to make predictions about the content and organization of the material and relate to the related topic knowledge that you have mastered. Efficient readers very often make predictions or anticipations either before or while reading a reading in terms of the content and organizations of the reading material. Predictions is the process of making connections between what you already know about the reading material or book that you are going to read with the instructions that you make as pre-reading material. After pre-reading a reading text, one of the next important steps is to remember what you already know related to the text you pre-read. This step can be done by connecting the knowledge and experience you already have related to the topic of the text. There are several reasons why we should take steps to make a connection between knowledge and experience with the text to be read. One reason is that learning becomes easier when you can relate new information to the information you already have. For example, it will be easy for you to read and study economic laws when you are an economic actor because you already have experience doing economic activities. Okay, I think that's all from me. I hope that you understand. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.